Hallo, Kimera Hashiv and you is Mr. Joseph and Ann Alaba. Vami Anam Blackpool. I was in Blackpool and I've put together some phrases that we can use to practice talking about holidays. So let me first of all say Hami Anam Blackpool. Now, if I was in Blackpool now, I could say Hami Anam Blackpool niche. Okay, but of course I'm not. I'm home now. Okay, so that means I can change this to, I'll just show you what I'm going to change it. I'm going to change it to Vami and in Blackpool. I was in Blackpool. Okay, and this here, pronunciation, I can also change that as well because it's not ha anymore, it's va. Okay, so the pronunciation, this bit here in the brackets is my pronunciation guide, okay? So, Hami Anam Blackpool Anish, Hami Anam Blackpool, pronunciation. Vami Anam Blackpool, Vami Anam Blackpool, okay? So these are the pronunciation parts. So I am, and my second paragraph was, okay, in Blackpool. Oh, I tell you, that's a trashy place. Tur Eke, it has a tower, which is a fake Eiffel Tower, if you don't know it already. Right, so let me just highlight these two bits here. Okay, just to put them into bold. You've got the translation there as well. Next, Bami sur Leichen. Leichen. Now, this isn't quite as heavy as ch. It's more of a very soft ch, almost like a G sound. So, Vami sur Leichen. Okay, the plural for days. Okay, so I was on holiday. I'm going to take out the last bit because I took the Gaelic bit out earlier, so it doesn't get too complicated. I was on holiday. Vami sur Leichen. Okay, I'll just, oh yeah. The next part's really easy. I'm sure you remember this. Hami anan tayosta. I'm in a hotel. And again, I'm just going to change that to a B to make it Vami because I'm at home now. I'm in Pashlich. Okay. Oh yeah. Vami anan tayosta. Okay, I was in a hotel. So again, I'll just change that to I was. Right. Be careful how you say the next one with the F. That could sound like a bad word if you're not careful. So, I have to be careful with this one. Hami a fiechkin. Fiechkin. Hami a fiechkin avur. Now, you should recognize vur. It's fairly common. Okay. And I'm actually just going to go over to the lovely lady on this, what do you call it, Land Gaelic Dictionary, just to make sure that I'm getting the correct pronunciation for that word. You have to be very careful with this one. Let's see what she says. Right. Yeah, I'll let you hear what she says, okay? I'm sure she won't mind if I play this just once. Feichkin. Feichkin. Okay, so I was close there. By the way, that's learngaelic.scot. So if you're ever looking for a Gaelic dictionary, great place to go. Hamia Feichkin Avur, I see the C. Yeah, very interesting that this is related to the word Mary, which if you listen to my Rosary podcast in Gaelic, you'll probably pick up because it's Vura, or in English Moira, or Mary, or Mary. So yeah, so Feichen for sea. I see the sea. Vur. Okay, I'm leaving that to the present tense. Okay, I can't be bothered changing it. The next bit, ha avur gle ledger. Now, I think probably that should be ladger. Ladger. Ha avur gle ladger. The C is very strong. Changing it to the past tense would be va. Okay. The next part, the verb to come. Hanik. Hanik me and show Jehunya. I came here on Friday. And again, let me just make these into bold so the Gaelic stands out more. Hanik me and show Jehunya. Days of the week are always tough in Gaelic because I'm not related at all to English. I mean, if you just said Friday, people would understand if you are trying out your Gaelic. And you she Giluan a home. And you she Giluan a home. Today it is Monday. Well, actually, it's not. It's Tuesday. But I wrote this yesterday, so you can forgive me. The next part, this is interesting. The next part here, I tried to say it's a bank holiday, but I'm really not sure this works in Gaelic. So it's probably one of these modern interpretations. I'm going to say it anyway. Sheila Suar Banka Ahon. Okay, and that's the same, I think, as our sewer up here as well. Okay, so Sheila Sewer Banka Ahon. Just highlight that. And there we are. That's some holiday words that you can use when you're in a holiday. Blackpool is trashy, yeah? If you're outside of Scotland, you probably don't know about Blackpool, I tell you. It's one of those things that you have to experience to believe it. It's so bad that I go there every year. Really, the ballroom dancing underneath the fake Eiffel Tower, you have to see it. I mean, you can't not see that. So, Vami and Blackpool, yeah, it was amazing. Vami sur Leichen. Vami an entire Oster. Yeah, very interesting, very interesting. So there we are. There's some holiday words for you to play with. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this. Shiri Andrasta.